Today, we're going to be using the newest AI agent mode in Microsoft Excel, and we're going to build a fully automated variance analysis dashboard, perfect for financial planning and analysis in Excel. Now, if you ever spend hours building budget versus actual reports or hunting for formula errors, then this one is for you. Thank you to Excel's new agent mode. Then you can build this dashboard in matter of minutes with artificial intelligence. Remember, you will need a Microsoft 365 and a Copilot license to follow along. My name is Christian Martinez, and let's dive in. Okay, so we have this financial analysis table. It has data like month, department, revenue budget, actuals, expenses, and profit. As you can see, right now, it's a very big table with 73 rows and heaps of records. So how to turn this into a dashboard? Well, we're going to be using agent mode. In here, we just need to describe what we would like to create or edit. So let's start with this prompt. Now, Excel agent mode will be building this variance analysis dashboard for us, and it will be comparing budget versus actuals by department and by month. As you can see here, agent mode is reasoning and then creating a set of activities to follow along. As you can see, you can click in here to either view the activities that it is doing or not viewing them. It is creating the dashboard, implementing slicer filters, and synthesizing the data. In the meantime, I'll show you exactly how to enable this. Well, the first thing that you need to know is that you need Excel for the web that you can access using this link. In here, then you will go and create a blank workbook. For this, it will open an Excel on the web file, and agent mode will be present under the Home tab. Now, in here, you will need to see Excel Labs in order to have access to agent mode. If it doesn't appear for you, then you will need to go to add-ins and then search for Excel Labs. Once that you search, then you will click on it to try these experimental features from the Microsoft Excel team. And it will appear to the right like I did for me. Now, coming back to the work that the agent is creating for us, as you can see, right now it's finalizing the dashboard, and it created all of this data. It turned it into a pivot table. And as you can see here, it is having one new tab called pivot and another tab called dashboard. I did not have to do anything for it. They just appeared. Now, if I go to pivot, then as you can see, it has a pivot table already with the different months and then the revenue budget, actual, expenses, and so on. And if we go to the dashboard tab, as for today, and as for right now, it is not appearing anything just yet because the agent is still refining the dashboard setup. So let's give it a couple of minutes and you will come back and see the result of this agent mode. And this is the dashboard that was created for us. As you can see, it's a variance analysis dashboard. It has at the top 3 KPIs: revenue, expenses, and profit. And it has the budget, the actual, the variance, and the variance in percentage. Now, all of these formulas that you can see in the screen were fully created by Excel Agent Mode. On top of that, as you can see here, it explained to us exactly what it does, with also doing key KPI checks. Now, on top of that, then it created these slicers for us that we can go and click on them. And it also created this pivot table in here, all in matter of minutes. Now, at the same time, I was trying another prompt in agent mode. For that one, we have also month, revenue, COGS, marketing expense, and so on and so on. And I asked it to create a 12-month rolling forecast using historical actuals and growth rate assumption. As you can see, it reasoned for this amount of seconds and created this forecast, but at the end, it ran into a problem. Now, let's see what exactly it managed to do until now. So as you can see here, it created some assumptions with some values and some notes, and then the forecast in here. But as it told us in here, it ran into a problem and it couldn't do the full forecast for us. Now, I also have this quick guide that I created for you all about agent mode in Excel for finance, with different things that it has already been able to do, and also on some that it couldn't do it. As I was mentioning, remember that right now agent mode is available in the Frontier program, but you need to have Microsoft 365 Copilot licensed, and also you need to be using Excel on the web. Now, in this guide, I show you exactly where to find agent mode. That is in the add-ins, and then click and then search for Excel Labs. And I also have a few frequent asked questions about exactly what it can and cannot do. And I put two examples in here. One that you can see in my other video that it's around doing a discounted cash flow model, and the one that we just did together, which it was the dashboard. I'll be adding other examples as well, and you can download all of these guide and also the datasets so that you can follow along the video. Thanks for watching.
Just type